Hello guys from Plant Reviews, today 15th of May, and I will talk about another parrot tulip, that is the blue parrot. I bought this one from Taylor Bulbs. On the cover there's actually a quite bright blue color, almost like a bluebell color, the tulip. However, as you can see, the flower is not actually blue, is more like lilac. Even this being a parrot tulip is not extremely frilled like other parrot tulips, like saying the Texas flame. However, you can still see the fringes on the flower. The plant itself is quite tall, is about 50 to 60 centimeters tall, and the leaves are the usual bluish green of the most tulips, and the flowers are lilac when in full bloom, and as usual in tulips they start quite greenish, then the color turn to a pretty washed out, almost dirty green pink, and finally blooming in this lilac. The lilac on the outer part of the tepals is basically repeated in the inner part, and the inner part of the tepals also show a gradation in color from, one second, I try to have a better picture here. Yeah, you can see the color changes from a very pale lilac to a more intense purple and a bluish darker purple, not dark purple, but yeah, more bluish at the center of the flower. This tulip is lightly fragrant, with the usual floral scent of most tulips. I was expecting a much um stronger color than this lilac. It is kind of disappointing because I was expecting, as I said, a much stronger color. However, if you like pastel colors, I would say this is an ideal tulip for, if you like, as I said, pastel tones. And actually, for coincidence, I arranged the top with these tulips next to a purple tree lupin that is in flower for the first year, and I was expecting it fragrant, but it's not. Anyway, I planted it from seed, so sometimes seeds have different characteristics, features from the parent plants. I was really hoping that this lupin was fragrant. Hopefully next year. Anyway, it's a perennial. Sometimes plants, young plants, do not show much fragrance the first year, and then they show up a beautiful fragrance in the following years. And to the bluebells, some Spanish bluebells. The overall combination of this lilac with the bluish of the bluebells and this purple and the purple of the lupin is actually very nice, as you can see. And so I have to say that aesthetically I can definitely recommend this tulip together with other purple, bluish, and why not some pink as well. I have my Madame Van Hecke rhododendron here, and also this bright pink, even if the plant is at the end of the bloom, matches very nicely with the lilac of the tulip. The shape of the tulip, it is a bit messy. I mean, parrot tulips sometimes have a very messy habit, but I would say that this one is particularly untidy in blooming. As you can see, it's a kind of quadrangular shape. So yeah, really, it depends if you like parrot tulips or not. Personally, I love parrot tulips, but they are usually more cup shaped. This one is very open, and I love also open tulips, like say the red emperor. When it blooms, is the flowers are almost completely open and flat, but I don't like much this kind of in between arrangement of the petals and sepals, but as I said, that's completely personal opinion. The color is very pleasant if you don't like strong colors, and definitely the light fragrance is a bonus in this plant. I hope you enjoyed my review, and I will see you next time. Bye.